your Metrobank credit card using the BPI Online App. You can do this method whether you're paying for yourself or someone else. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how, so stay tuned.
Open the BPI mobile app and log in. Now, select the BPI account na gusto nyong gamitin to pay your bill. Then, click Pay Bills. If nasa favorites yung biller nyo, lalabas siya dito. If not, enter details manually. Yung source account nyo will be the account that you selected earlier. Now, select your biller. Type nyo lang dito, Metrobank. Click it. Now, input the 16-digit account number or yung credit card number nyo, your credit card name, and the amount you want to pay. Now, click Continue. Double check if everything's correct. Click Confirm. And there you go, payment successful. Pwede nyo na tong i-screenshot as proof of payment.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!